My name is Fahad. I work for Arab National Bank as an RBA lead analyst. We have been using automation anywhere solution since Q3 of 2019. We have implemented many use cases. Over 200 processes already automated. So it's been 4 years for 200 processes. I can tell you the simple thing is just the reconciliation process, which is basically what we started to automate. So just to prove the concept of automation and to market the technology around the bank. It was a great solution to match the records between each other. So after that, we just started growing in each department, and we never stopped until we got like over 200 processes automated. The challenges are little. It's like the awareness of the technology is not, the business users are not very aware of the technology. So we need to do more awareness sessions to educate them about the technology and how to implement it. So this is the only challenge actually. And luckily in AMP we have a very knowledgeable environment, very growing environment about technology. And the technology is like the main solution for any operational automation. There is many differences. The first thing is the cost. The cost difference is very huge. The implementation time is non-comparable. In automation anywhere you can automate any task within max 1 to 2 weeks, even if it's complex. But automation anywhere has allowed the tool to foster the automation much better. So there is a big difference between the old style automation, where we change the core system code, and the just automating using the UI. There is a plan to use AI with RBA. We can see the collaborative use case between these two technologies, and I think we are going to implement it very soon. Arab National Bank is always looking for new technologies. It's very open about it, as long as it aligns with our security standards. We can use it if it's applicable. So we are open about any technology, whether it's GenAI or anything else. The most valuable feature actually the usability. The ease of development. They make the developer life very easy. I started as an RBA developer myself. The ease of use from the development life cycle process. The developers are very comfortable using the automation anywhere other than any tool else. So this is the big advantage I see for automation anywhere. Else automation anywhere always progresses in products. Now we see the Copilot, the IDB, the process discovery. So this is just make these technologies, these products, just can scale the program very easy. For us as an NB, we can say that we need all the product to be on a prem instead of on a cloud, because of the security issues, etc. So this is the only thing in my head now to see that automation anywhere can be improved. It is not very easy. It is not very easy to learn about a new technology. So what we do is we educate them about the technology. We do awareness sessions. We show them a demonstration of the technology. It is very easy actually to understand it if you see a live demonstration. So this is what we do, and so far we have succeeded to do that. It takes about like 2 sessions maximum. Even in NB we have like and the environment helps a lot to foster new technologies. So it doesn't take much. Not yet, but we are planning to. Today it seems very interesting, and we are looking into it. Any internal systems, any system that has an operational work within the bank or an external entity, for example, the central bank, whatever. Basically, every possible system, I cannot count them with my hand, it's very a lot, but the mainly is the core banking system. It integrates just fantastic. We haven't had any issue so far with integration with any system within the bank or any external entity. So it integrates just fine. Until now, we have not. Yeah, as long as automation anywhere stays as it is, we are not going to use any solution, other solution. Of course, we have to look at the market. We decided to go with the automation anywhere, and thankfully it was the right decision. You know, there is like 3 competitions. Automation anywhere seemed the more reasonable in terms of the solution itself and the price, everything. So yeah, it seems best to go with automation anywhere. It's not easy, but we have capable team actually. We have fabulous team in AMB. Our BA team is capable. We have upgraded. We have consistently each version. Now we are on 0.29, which is the last version. We have 2 people because we have multiple processes automated. We have over 200 processes automated, which is they are supporting or monitoring all the processes from technical standpoint, where the business owners the monitoring from business standpoints. So it's a collaborative work. It's great. It could be better. Yeah, it could be better. Just a quicker response is just the response time. You know, because in AMP we have some processes that are high risk and needs to be if there's any issue, it should be fixed directly. So there are some type of high risk issue needs to be dealt with as fast as possible. 7.5. I would say an 8 is fair.